Tired of heat damage? Say hello to gorgeous, frizz-free curls overnight with the revolutionary Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set. Forget damaging hot tools. This innovative set provides easy, salon-worthy results by letting you achieve stunning curls without any heat at all. Its incredibly soft, 34-inch 100% satin rod is designed specifically as comfortable hair curlers to sleep in, ensuring maximum comfort throughout the night. Imagine waking up with perfectly formed, healthy, no-heat curls that last all day, all from just sleeping. This complete kit includes the luxurious satin rod and 2 matching scrunchies, making it a perfect addition to your collection of versatile hair accessories. It's a true time saver. Simply wrap your hair in about 5 minutes before bed, secure, and let this overnight blowout rod do all the work while you rest. What makes Kitsch truly special is its original, trusted design, offering a damage-free styling solution that feels as ingenious as any smart tech. Ready to transform your hair health and routine? Click the link in the description below to grab your own Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set on Amazon. Stop the breakage and achieve beautiful, lasting styles with minimal effort. It's truly the easiest way to get polished overnight blowout looks. For anyone wanting simple, effective, and perfectly healthy heatless curls, this Kitsch set is an absolute must-have recommendation for 2025.